Print on demand is one of the easiest ways to launch an online business in 2025. You don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or complicated tech issues. Let's dive into a beginner-friendly strategy that can get you selling today. First, you need to choose a print-on-demand platform. There are three standout options: Redbubble, Printify, and Teespring. Redbubble is fantastic for beginners because it's super easy to launch and offers free traffic. Printify is a great choice if you want to connect with Etsy or Shopify, giving you more control over your store. Teespring, now known as Spring, handles everything in one place, from production to shipping. These platforms take care of fulfillment, so all you need to do is upload your designs and market them. Next, let's talk about designing your products. You don't need to be a design expert to create eye-catching items. Use tools like Canva or Kittl to whip up designs quickly. Focus on smart ideas that resonate with your audience. Some top niches include funny quotes, dog moms, retired dads, and slogans for side hustlers or entrepreneurs. Canva is perfect for creating clean, text-based designs, and you can explore trending styles to keep your offerings fresh. Once you have your designs, use free mock-up generators like Placeat to preview your items. This step is crucial for visualizing how your products will look when they're live. Now, let's discuss pricing. Start by setting your prices in the $19 to $29 range, depending on the type of product. Think about what you want to sell: t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, or hoodies. Choose 1 to 3 products to begin with. It's important that your items solve a style or identity desire. You want to create something that people would be excited to wear or gift to someone else. Driving traffic to your products is where the magic happens. Skip the paid ads. You don't need them to make sales. Instead, leverage free traffic sources. Post your mock-ups on Pinterest using keywords like gift for side hustlers to attract your target audience. Create short video mock-ups using Canva and upload them as YouTube Shorts or TikToks. Join Facebook groups where your niche audience hangs out, but remember to engage tactfully. Don't just spam your links. Free traffic means more profit, especially when you're just starting out. Finally, it's all about repeating, analyzing, and scaling your efforts. Keep track of what sells and create spin-offs based on popular designs. Consider building bundles or offering holiday versions and limited drops to keep your store exciting. The more consistent you are with your store, the more visibility you'll gain. Print on demand works if you treat it like a business. Keep it simple, focus on quality designs, and post consistently. What product would you start with? Think about it and get ready to dive into this exciting journey.